Hey everyone, today we're unboxing a new handheld console, the Anbernic sliding handheld, the RG Slide. The packaging this time is a little different from before. First, there's an envelope. Let's open it up and take a look. Inside, there's a user manual and a tempered glass screen protector. There's also a screen protector installation tool. After removing this foam pad, there's a plastic sheet underneath, and below that is the main device itself, the RG Slide. This is actually a fake unboxing. I've already opened it before. Just slide it open and the screen lights up. This little box here contains the charging cable. That's all there is, nothing else included. Now let's take a look at the handheld itself. Today's video is an unboxing with a quick review. We'll save the full review for next time. Let's first look at the workmanship of the handheld. The front of the handheld looks pretty refined. If you close the lid, it looks just like a smartphone, but when you open it, it kind of resembles a PSP Go. Looking at the back, the sliding module is made of metal. The entire back of the screen is a single piece of metal. Here you can see that the battery is 5,000 milliamp hours, and the charging power is 5V10W. Looking at the lower half, this is the handheld's active cooling air intake, and the exhaust vent is at the bottom. The shoulder buttons are arranged side by side, with the L2 and R2 buttons sticking out a bit more, so you can tell them apart by feel. Today, let's first explore what unique ways to play this new type of handheld offers. We'll save the traditional review for the next episode. The first new way to play that comes to mind is when you're playing NDS games. If you feel like the screen ratio is too small, you can fold it up and turn it vertically to play. That way, both the top and bottom screens are pretty large. If you don't want to tap on the glass, you can also add a controller to it. It looks a bit weird, but it's still playable. With the lid closed, we can use it to chat on WeChat, just like using a phone. Let's try a WeChat call. Hello, honey.
What's up?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I could hear you.
You can also make video calls, but since there's no camera, the other person can't see us. Hello, hello. The button below, if you press it briefly, it goes back. If you hold it down, it returns to the home screen. I also installed Bilibili, so let's watch a video. Everyone, sit tight and hold on. We're about to drive. All right. Today's video is just a preliminary experience. We'll do a more detailed review in the next episode. This handheld device actually reminds me of a phone, the LG square screen phone. It also had a big 4:3 screen. Alright, that's it for today's video. We'll see you next time for a detailed review.